Somapura or Pataliputra, which is present-day Patna in Bihar. He was a mathematician, an astronomer and a physicist. He was the author of Aryabhata and Arya Siddhanta. Arya Siddhanta has been lost and we know about it only from the works of later mathematicians and astronomers like Varahamihira and Bhaskara I. Aryabhata has 4 chapters, 13 introductory verses and 108 main verses. The first chapter is called the Geetika Pada and it has 13 verses which talk about large units of time, namely Kalpa, Manvantara and Yuga, and there is also a table of signs. The second chapter is called the Ganita Pada. It has 33 verses covering mensuration, arithmetic and geometric progressions, shadows, simple, quadratic, simultaneous and indeterminate equations. The third chapter, Kala Kriya Pada, has 25 verses covering different units of time and a method for determining the positions of planets for a given day. There are some calculations concerning the Adhika Masa, that is the extra month, the week with the 7 days and the names of the days. The fourth chapter, Golapada, has 50 verses covering geometric and trigonometric aspects of the celestial sphere, features of the eclipse, celestial equator, node, shape of the earth, cause of day and night, and the zodiacal signs. Aryabhata, as a physicist, talked about the relativity of motion. He said that just as a man in a boat moving forward sees the stationary objects on the shore as moving backwards, just so the stationary stars seen by the people on the earth seem to them as if exactly moving towards the west. Aryabhata used the place value system where 0 is quite clear, but it is not used as a symbol. In fact, he used the letters of Sanskrit alphabets to denote numbers instead of the Brahmi numerals. Now, for example, when he wanted to calculate pi, this is how he explained it. Chaturadhikam shatamashta gunam dvashashtis tatha sahasranam ayuta dvaya vishkambhasya asanno vritta parinahaha. It means add 4 to 100, then multiply by 8 and then add 62,000. By this rule, the circumference of a circle with the diameter of 20,000 is approached. So he said that approximately the value of pi is 3.1416, and as per modern calculation it is correct, that is accurate to 3 decimal places. And he also said that pi is irrational, and in Europe Lambert was the one who said pi is irrational, and that happened in 1761 only. Amazing, right? Aryabhata gave the area of a triangle as Tribhujasya Phalashariram Samadalakoti Bhujardha Samvargaha. It means that for a triangle, the result of a perpendicular with the half side is the area. Aryabhata gave a scientific explanation for the occurrence of solar and lunar eclipses. He also said that the moon and the planets do not have light of their own. They shine by the reflected light of the sun. We know the duration of the rotation of Earth to be 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4.091 seconds. And Aryabhata calculated it as 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4.1 seconds. Wow! Similarly, the length of the year as per us is 365.25636 days, and according to Aryabhata, it is 365.25858 days. Wow, fantastic, is it not? Aryabhata's work was translated into Arabic, and so not only the Indian astronomical tradition but also the neighboring cultures were greatly influenced. The government of Bihar has established AKU, that is Aryabhata Knowledge University, in his honor. We all know that in his honor, the first satellite of India has been named Aryabhata. A lunar crater has also been named in his honor. The Aryabhata satellite is featured on the reverse of the Indian 2 rupee note. The Aryabhata Research Institute of Observational Sciences has been established near Nainital for studying astronomy, astrophysics, etc. An inter-school Aryabhata maths competition is held in his honor. In the year 2009, when the scientists from ISRO discovered a species of bacterium in the stratosphere, they named it Bacillus Aryabhata. Alright, I shall be back soon with yet another mathematician or astronomer or a physicist, that is another scientist from ancient India. Till then, bye.